Hi, I'm Mandy with Ritter Lumber, and today we're talking about hurricane season. If you live in the coastal Texas region, you know the importance of being hurricane ready. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the Atlantic hurricane season runs from June 1st through November 30th. That's one half of every year, and we're going to show you how Ritter Lumber can play a vital role in you being active and protecting your family. First, make sure you always check with your local advisories before riding out a storm. If you find yourself in that situation, being stocked up on flashlights, headlamps, and batteries from Ritter Lumber can help you be prepared for power outages. Keeping a stock of different types of batteries is always a great idea as well. Next, we have gas cans and generators. Gas cans can be useful for evacuations, but also useful for refilling your generator. We have generators in multiple running watt ranges to fit your need. Always remember to keep the exhaust pointed away from your home and never, ever operate a generator indoors. Lumber is an important and simple tool in protecting your home in a hurricane. Boarding up your windows and doors can heavily reduce the odds of breakage from high winds and projectiles. We recommend using a 1/2-inch exterior grade plywood with corrosion resistant screws. Cut your plywood to hang a few inches off your window frame and drill pilot holes in the corners and every 4 to 6 inches around the perimeter. This will help ensure there are no vulnerable areas that wind can get underneath. For larger areas, such as French doors, you may need to join 2 sheets of plywood together using 2x4s as a joint. This will also give you added anchor points and stability. Lastly, we have plastic storage totes in all sizes for your family's important items to evacuate with or store up high. We also have work gloves and cleaning supplies for easy cleanup after a storm. Hurricane preparation can make a difference when dealing with storms of this magnitude. Ritter Lumber wants you to be prepared and stay safe. Be sure to keep tuning in as Ritter Lumber simplifies more of your projects. I'm Mandy, and we'll see you next time.